Hey everybody, it's your girl Yvette here. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to attempt to give myself like carefree, beachy, wavy kind of looking hair. So all I'm going to be using is this huge curling iron that has a thick end here and it gets narrower down at the bottom. And as you can see, my hair is already blown out from yesterday. And actually it's blown out and flat iron to get it even straighter. And I'm going to be using this comb here to just section off my hair as I go through this process. Oh, and one other thing, you will need this glove to protect your hand from the heating instrument when you're holding your hair wrapped around the iron. So let's get going with this and let's see how it turns out. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to go ahead and part my hair completely down the center and just section one side off very quickly. So I've been using these poly bands by Scunchie. I got this pack out of Target a while ago. It's like these little hair elastics. These are clear. I'm not sure if you can actually see it, but I feel like they're so much better for my hair just because they don't yank my hair out as much as when I use the regular elastics. So these I definitely would recommend. If you have thinner hair, you know, this would be better. If you have thick hair, you'll probably need those bigger elastic bands to put your hair in a ponytail. So I want to kind of use as small as possible sections, so I probably should have clipped that one back. So just go ahead, do that. Okay, everybody, 100% transparency. I actually tried this and it was such a disaster that I had to stop the camera. But I'm going to go in again and I'm probably just frying my hair to death. But I sprayed it with this Sleek It Iron Straight Heat Spray. And I used this yesterday also when I flat ironed my hair. But I thought maybe just because I'm going to be putting that hot tool onto this fragile white hair that it might need another spritz, so I did that. Then I went in and I realized I don't need the glove and I did a little wrap and I held it on. Okay, this is much better. So obviously the iron was not hot enough when I first did it because it was a total disaster. So I'm not going to touch that. I'm going to leave it while it cools. And I'm going to go in for the second piece, which I also sprayed. That one didn't work out so well. It looks kind of not as wavy, which is interesting. So I'm going to let it cool instead of going in at it again. All right, everyone, so this is the final result. It is not exactly what I was hoping for. Yeah, it kind of just got frizzy, and it's strange that I wasn't able to get waves all throughout my hair. So I'm definitely going to try this again, but I don't know what I'm going to do differently, but it definitely is going to need a do-over. But I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone is doing well and is staying safe, and I'll see you at my next video.